Hi, I am Vivek. Welcome to BCG Knowledge Channel. This video is on the topic Google Ads are not working. No it thinks. I face a lot of failure in this area and I observed or checked the system where we commit mistakes or most of the new comers or new YouTubers commit mistakes if they go for Google Ads. There is a one most important thing or one least known thing. I will tell you all 8 things quickly and I will tell you what are the things which we should do or consider when we go for Google Ads. So let's start. First thing, when we go for Google Ads, we create a campaign, then we create a ad groups. After ad groups, we create ads and then we set keywords, audience, placement and then topics. So these are the area. If we find Google Ads are not working, then we have to see these area. Why I have recapped this or told you, because these are the areas where we find issues if ads are not working. So first, campaign. So first point, if ads are not working, we have to see the campaign, whether the campaign is limited by budget, then we have to increase the budget. This is the first point, everyone knows. Okay, and the second point is ads. We have to see the status of ads, what is the status, and we have to see whether the ads have been disapproved and why. So as you can see on the screen, this ad was disapproved one website per ad group. Okay, one website per ad group, and this next one is trademark in ad text. Okay, so if we want to appeal, we can appeal when we see this option, and this video is unavailable. Unavailable means there are two things. We have to go to the ad screen, so we have seen there are two issues. First, video is not available means we have provided the wrong URL here. Second thing, this link is wrong. When there is issue where multiple URLs have been entered, this ad is disapproved. Okay, next one is there is a logo of particular, so there will be a limited or completely rejected. So we have to remember these things. We are providing correct links when we are creating a ad. Okay, as you can see here, difference, I have provided www here and this is a different. This could be one of the issues. So we have seen ad campaign limited by the budget. Second, whether the ad is approved or disapproved and why, and what are the areas, and we can appeal. There is a appeal option. Next is we have to see the keywords, if any of the keywords is creating an issue. So we have to just change the status, pause it, and then see whether it is working or not, because it is the moment we pause it is start immediately. So we have to check each and every keyword carefully whether it any of the keyword is creating an issue. There are three types the way we can enter. First is broad key, phrased key, exact key, and there is a one more type of key we can enter, that is a between phrase and exact. Okay, the next one is audience. See whether what is the status of the audience, not eligible or any other status is creating an issue. Next is where ad should. So I was talking about this point. The most of the people do not know, or very less people know, if there is a placement. Normally we enter where we want to place the ad, and here is a one option where ad should. If this is channel has no longer available, so you have to click here and change the status, remove from campaign. This is most important. I have observed my one of the ad was not working, and I checked here and I removed. Be careful in this area. Check the topics, whether what is the status, whether wrongly status or any status is creating an issue or not. Ad is not working because of that reason. Maybe there is less audience or more audience according to our budget. So we have to check these areas. And one more thing, there is a bidding. This is a bidding. Bidding means like for the ad group how much we are paying. How much we are paying for particular view. For this given ad I am paying 10 paisa per view. So maybe it is not standing in bidding. So we have to see whether my ad is not working because of this less bidding. So we have to keep changing it and try. If we can change it to 20 paisa, if it is working, then fine. If it is still not working, then we have to keep increasing and see. The moment we change, ad start running immediately. If you think your ad started, if you think after changing this bidding or bidding amount per view or cost per view, it is working, then stop there and fine. So this is also a most important area. Times the bidding is very less. Maybe we have kept 10 paisa per view, 20 paisa, 30 paisa, because there are lot of competition for different subject. There is a different criteria for bidding, different rate is there. So if you think for one topic it is a very 50 paisa, or for your topic that is different than that topic, or more, less or more. So we have to focus this area whether the bidding is optimized or not. You have to play around this. So this is my experience. I have observed and I played around it and I found it is working. We have to focus in this area. Please comment, provide your inputs, suggestions. If you liked my video, please subscribe. Thank you very much.